Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGen Pro. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading your Aadhaar card. Follow these straightforward steps. Launch your Chrome browser. In the search bar, type myaadhaar.uidai.gov.in and press enter. You will be directed to the My Aadhaar portal. Alternatively, find the link in the video description. Scroll down and locate the Download Aadhaar tab. Click on the Download Aadhaar tab. You will be taken to the Aadhaar download page. Choose the option to download Aadhaar using your Aadhaar number. Enter your Aadhaar number. Enter the CAPTCHA. If you're having trouble with the CAPTCHA, you can refresh and try again. Click on Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Verify the OTP by entering it. Click on the Verify and Download button. Choose your download location when prompted, or stick to the preset location. The download will commence. To open your Aadhaar card, follow these steps. Remember this screen. This will use while opening Aadhaar file. After the download is complete, click on the downloaded file. Enter your password, which is the first 4 letters of your name in capital letters and your birth year. Click on Submit. Your Aadhaar card will now be accessible. Now you can print and use your Aadhaar card. That's it. Your Aadhaar card is ready. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support by giving it a like, subscribing for more TechGen Pro tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome.